We've been wondering for a long time when DJI will unveil its future Inspire 3. Despite the fact that the Inspire 2 sported numerous groundbreaking features, surprisingly, some leaked spy photos of the DJI Inspire 3 are floating around the internet. The much-anticipated DJI Inspire 3 has been seen in the wild. Finally, it appears like the never-ending anticipation is coming to an end, since DJI prepares to launch the next-generation version of their most popular professional drone. So let's jump into the video and learn more about the Inspire 3. So far, today's photographs and videos have been seen by prominent leakers Deal's Drone and Osita LV. The fresh leaked footage indicates that the future DJI Inspire 3 is constantly being tested, and we can see from the video that this future drone will most likely have a completely different design. Osita LV, another notable leaker, uploaded an image on Twitter with the caption, "RC Plus remote controller on the chair." Surprisingly, some reports claim that the new remote controller will have more physical buttons than ever before. As a result, the pilot will have greater opportunity to enjoy a smooth, light experience. Furthermore, in April of this year, Osita LV shared 2 photographs of an undisclosed prototype that appears to have crashed during a test drive. He also stated that it is from the upcoming Inspire 3. We can see from these leaked photographs that the Inspire 3 may come with foldable propellers. Meanwhile, the retractable landing gear from previous generations remains in place. Someone noticed the Inspire 3 with Zenmu's expanded camera during a field test, according to Osita LV. He also stated that it was gimbal mounted and has a super long zoom lens. It's really pretty normal for each Inspire drone DJ to announce the inclusion of a new Zenmu's camera to give professional-grade footage. Meanwhile, Osita LV has predicted its possible specifications. According to him, this upcoming drone is expected to have a Super 35 or large-format CMOS sensor to capture more detail and light. Additionally, the Inspire 3 may be able to shoot 8K videos at 75 FPS while recording 4K slow-motion videos at 200 FPS. Furthermore, it may have omnidirectional obstacle avoidance to keep you safe from any angle. The Inspire 3 is believed to use an 04 transmission with dual RC for improved transmission. We might also have raw ProRes 444XQ and 422HQ footage, as well as high-accuracy maneuvering and APAS Pro. As you may be aware, APAS Pro or Advanced Pilot Assistance System is already very frequent on DJI drones. In terms of release date, many of us expected the Inspire 3 to arrive this year. Although there is still time, we do not believe it will be released this year. Based on the information we have so far, the future professional drone from DJI is still in the testing phase. Hence, it could come in the first quarter of next year. If there's one thing we can be certain of, it's that this future drone will be pricey. According to Osita LV, the Inspire will cost at least 1.5 times more than the Ronin 8K, which we believe will not concern professional users. In short, based on the leaked photographs and videos, the unannounced Inspire 3 is not far away from hitting the drone market. It may have a completely new design with folding propellers, 8K shooting capabilities, and 0-4 transmission. It may be late, but DJI is still testing the future Inspire 3 to give unprecedented performance compared to prior models. So that's all for today. And as usual, thanks for watching, commenting, and sharing with your friends if you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in your feed.